And now I'm going to show you how to use the MuVit foot. In the back of the machine here, there is a port that this cable will actually go into. So you can plug that in. Okay, so now the back is plugged in. I'm going to put this on the needle bar. So now I have the MuVit foot on. You can change these feet that are on here. The one that I actually have right now is called the couching foot. And this is like all brother feet. A little hinge there. You just drop it down so it lines up. Now this doesn't have the guide on it, but that would be easy just to make marks at 1 inch apart, however wide you want it. Although the foot on this foot is fairly wide. So let's just go ahead here. Pull out my top thread there. So it's moving the top and the bottom. Now I'm just using the left side of the foot there, and it stitches effortlessly. It's actually much nicer than the walking foot. Stitch length the same. But there's so many more things that you can do with the MuVit foot. Now, with the MuVit foot, you don't have to put the shank adapter on. It's actually designed for this machine and higher.